Today, I'm going to push the limits and see if I can fully unfold the Huawei Mate X-T while using all its features at the same time. The Huawei Mate X-T is a groundbreaking device in the smartphone market, taking the concept of foldable phones to a whole new level with its impressive triple folding feature. When it comes to creating foldable devices, manufacturers face a multitude of challenges. One of the most significant hurdles is durability. How do you ensure that the device can withstand the stresses of daily use without compromising its structural integrity? Another major concern is user experience. How do you design an interface that seamlessly adapts to different screen configurations, providing an intuitive and immersive experience for the user? Furthermore, the materials used in foldable devices must be carefully selected to balance flexibility with strength, all while minimizing weight and maximizing performance. And let's not forget about the software side of things. Optimizing apps and operating systems to take full advantage of the foldable form factor is no easy feat. So, how does the Huawei Mate X-T overcome these limitations? Let's take a closer look at the design and engineering innovations that make this device possible. The Mate X-T's triple folding design is made possible by a complex system of hinges and flexible OLED panels, allowing the device to seamlessly transition between different screen configurations. One of the key innovations is the use of a proprietary hinge system, which enables the device to fold and unfold smoothly while maintaining a compact footprint. The Mate X-T's flexible OLED panels are also incredibly durable, capable of withstanding the rigors of daily use without showing signs of wear and tear. Additionally, the device's advanced cooling system ensures that performance is never compromised, even when running demanding apps and multitasking. Okay, it's time to see the Mate X-T in action. Let's take a closer look at its unique features and user interface. The Mate X-T's triple folding design enables a range of innovative use cases, from multitasking with multiple apps open simultaneously to enjoying immersive entertainment experiences on the go. The device's advanced user interface is designed to adapt seamlessly to different screen configurations, providing an intuitive and immersive experience for the user. With the Mate X-T, Huawei has also introduced a range of new features and tools, specifically designed to take advantage of the device's unique form factor. One of the most impressive features is the ability to use multiple apps simultaneously, making it easier than ever to multitask on the go. In conclusion, the Huawei Mate X-T is a game changer in the world of smartphones, offering a unique and innovative solution to the limitations of traditional devices. What are your thoughts on foldable phones? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest tech trends and innovations, be sure to check out my other videos for more insights and analysis.